May cryptocurrency outlook, and ito pa rin yung chart natin, no? Meron tayong plinap dito na position. Yeah, so this is for position traders. And actually, since this is on a 4-hour time frame, what you can do is that since this is the general bias, no, you can go to the lower time frames and look for a cleaner and more precise entry. So from here, and so Bitcoin is still on the move up. So despite it going up to 83, no, 83K, it went back down to 79,000. So it's still on the support level, no, highly respected. So from the breakout point, dito meron tayong dalawang resistance na breakout, and then as you can see, when it broke out, nag-retest siya dito, bumalik. Hindi naman niya na nabasag, no? So dalawang beses niyang trinay, no? And it's still landing on the EMA 50. So this entry is still valid. And also, you can go to the lower time frame to look for a cleaner setup here. So since nandito siya malapit sa EMA 50, our risk is actually lower. Okay? So kung ma-SL man tayo, at least very very uh, near the entry point. Okay, so instead of us going here, entering here at 81, and then our SL is way below here. So napakalaki ng SL dyan. Okay, so where exactly can we ride this? Okay, so from the 4-hour time frame, we have established na pataas pa rin si Bitcoin. But here, sa lower time frame is still na bearish or on the downside. So we actually can wait dito sa ating EMA 50. Okay. Lagay tayo ng RSI. Ayan. So the RSI is actually at the neutral zone 46, no? All right. So it went down, okay? So it's actually forming a bullish divergence. Okay, so it went down to the oversold level here, around here, and as you can see, the sellers are starting to lose momentum. Okay, so I'm not saying that the it's that we start to deploy or we start to buy Bitcoin, but if you are on a spot market, of course, these are chance to cost average, no? Kasi it's near the support level. But if you are in a leverage, timing is everything. So what we want to do is that we need to have the price went back dito sa sa ating taas, no? Taas ng EMA 50 natin. Okay? So that's our confirmation, and also it needs to have some higher highs and higher lows, right? So from there, let's say this is a higher high, okay? It needs to be up here, the EMA 50, and it needs to break this 80,000, okay, which is a psychological level as well. Okay, so lagyan lang natin ng yan. So it needs to break that. Okay? So ang kailangan natin makita dyan, sino ba yung ating, yan. It needs to break there. Then, like that, no? Retest. Okay? So, if you are na sa H4 natin na time frame, we are targeting 87. But of course, if you are in a lower time frame, pwede na yan, no? Pwede na natin targeting yan. Okay, then we look for another setup. We look for another buy entry. Okay, so if you were able to ride this from 79 breakout all the way to 82, that's quite a gain already, right? And then when it went down, we're not supposed to have a sell order here, okay? Kasi bullish yung bias natin. But once it starts to cool down, no, and and we were able to look for an opportunity to ride the trend again, then that's the time that we enter it again. Okay, so instead of you holding it all the way to 87, then we need to learn where to sell it, right? And then from here, and so from here, and it presents us another opportunity. So we were able to gain there, and uh, we avoided the we avoided we avoided the yung paghihintay natin, no? So kasi kung tinaas natin 'to, kung hindi natin 'to binenta, malamang sa malamang naghihintay tayo dito. Kasi hinihintay natin 'tong ma-stop loss. Ayan. So that's how we do it. Okay? So there, that's how our Bitcoin, that's our outlook for Bitcoin. Let's look for Ethereum. Okay? Still on an uptrend channel. Okay? So, damay-damay lang yan, no? Si Bitcoin is the OG and also the leading indicator as to where the markets go. Okay, so timing na lang sa ibang altcoins, no? Yan, so Ethereum, yan, it's actually on the support level. Okay, so let's put some entry here, targeting this to 454. And our stop loss here, it's gonna give us 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so our stop loss is just below the trend line. Okay, kasi pagka nabasag yan mo yan, probably malaki yung guhit niyan, no? So malaki yung pagbagsak niyan, and ayun nga, it will just signal a total reversal. Okay, so you follow Bitcoin, and then you can just look for an opportunity. Maybe delay lang sila like Ethereum or other altcoins, no, XRP, Sol, etc. So, yung mga yan, nagpa-follow lang yan kay Bitcoin. And that's it for our cryptocurrency outlook. So, thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.